Hello friends, it is already so once again. You're welcome to my channel. This is episode 10 of how to make surface pattern designs using Microsoft Paint. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is to make a canvas 500 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. We click on the view and we click on the relax, and the next thing we go to the curve shape and we begin. We make this 250. We make it 500. We click on this edge rather and make it 250 by 250. We click here and we click here. Next we're going to Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We click on the transparent selection and we rotate, flip horizontal. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and we rotate 180 degree. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and rotate right 90 degree, and we start filling. We choose another color, another. Ctrl Z. And the next thing we're going to do is to open another page in Paint. There's something I noticed. I want to make this side of different colors, so I'm making like this. So the color is different. We open another page in Paint. We're going to make the canvas 3000 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. So Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and Ctrl V. We keep on pressing Ctrl V and make sure there is no white background at the sides. Then next we Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and we Ctrl V. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C. We increase it vertically by 2000 pixels and Ctrl V. We Ctrl V. And we are done. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.